Alright guys, we're going to be solving the second question from the chapter 2 of the mechanics of materials. And in this one we have a 4.8-foot long steel wire of 1/4 inch diameter that is subjected to a 750 pounds tensile load. We know that the elastic modulus is 29 times 10 to the 6 psi, and we need to determine in the A part the elongation of the wire and B the corresponding normal stress. So the formula that we have for the deformation is that we know our delta is equal to PL over 8 times. Just want to show where this is coming from. So based on the Hooke's law, we know that the stress or sigma is equal to E times or elastic modulus times the strain. And also we know that the stress would be force over the area and strain is equal to the deformation over the initial length. If we do some rearrangement of all these, we're gonna get this, and we just have to, in the main one, instead of sigma, put P over A, and in the other one we have E times the strain, and we're going to use a strain delta over L, and if we just reshuffle this, we're going to get PL over AE, which is the formula that we have. The givens that we have in this question, we know that the force P in here is 750 pounds. Finding the area is pretty easy. Pi over 4 times the diameter. We have the diameter 1/4 or 0.25 squared. We already have the elastic modulus, 29 times 10 to the 6 psi or pound per inch squared. And we know that the length of the wire is also 4.8, so 4.8 feet, which we just have to do a unit conversion in here because we have everything based on inch. Our area is also inches squared in here. And we know that for unit conversion of foot and inch, we know 1 foot is 12 inches. So this will be canceled and we'll end up for the length. And the rest of it is pretty easy. So our deformation would be P, which is 750 times the L, 4.8 times 12. And in the denominator, we have pi over 4 times 0.25 squared. And the elastic modulus is 29 times 10 to the 6. So this is going to give us the elongation or the deformation that we have in here. So let's see what we get. So 750 times 4.8 times 12 over pi divided by 4 times 0.25 squared times 29 times 10 to the 6, and this is going to give us 0.03, and it's going to be in inches, and that would be the answer for the A part. For finding the stress, we just have to use what we had in here. We know the stress or sigma is equal to force over area. The force was 750 pounds. Area was pi over 4.25 squared. Let's see what we get for this part. 750, again, pi divided by 4 times 0.25 squared. So this is going to be 15.279 times 10 to the 3 psi, or we can just show it as 15.28 ksi as the final answer. So we know 1 ksi is equal to 1000 psi. So if we just divide that one by 1000, we get rid of the 10 to the 3, and we'll end up final answer with 15.28. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.